Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, you can see how I revamp these wall decor pieces. It's all right, stay a while. I purchased this wall decor piece from Kirkland's years ago. I fell in love with it. I love the colors. It matched the decor in my bedroom. This was hanging up in my bathroom, but I wanted to make a change, so I purchased from Amazon this marble contact paper, and the color in it is just beautiful. It has a grid on the back for easy measuring and cutting. I cleaned off the item to remove any residue, and I pre-cut all of the squares I needed. I had a difficult time trying to get the contact paper to lay perfectly flat, because in this photo you can see a lot of the lines puckering around the edges. I had to reposition the paper a few times and it didn't help that much, so I just finally had to leave it like it was and smooth it out the best that I could. This contact paper adheres very well. I cut the paper in sections around the perimeter to make it easy to fold over the edges around the back. I used hot glue on the back of the edges so that they wouldn't unfold. In this picture, I show how I cut slits around the perimeter edges of each panel to make it easy to fold over the flaps of the contact paper. Now on to revamp number 2. This wall decor was also up in my bathroom, and I wanted to cover it with the same contact paper, but I'm just going to cover the individual squares on each panel. I measured, cut, and applied each individual square to the wall decor piece. And this is how both decor revamps turned out. I hope you've been inspired to revamp some old decor in your home instead of buying new and give new life to it. And as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day. Thank you for watching.